Yo, Mr. Jonathan, and welcome to Try This TV. Yeah, because I tried it right now. So you can try this TV live and direct. Keep it locked, Jonathan says so. That is something for now, Michelle. Try This TV. Yeah.
Traveling along is called the number 9 channel. This would take you to the Blue River, which takes you to the sea in the Gulf of Paria, right? Just about 6 miles down, you will come out into the sea in the Gulf of Paria. The water here is brackish water, meaning it's a mixture of the salt water from the sea and the fresh water from the rivers. All these vegetation that you will see around us, they are called mangroves. Here in Trinidad, we have 3 types of mangroves. Red mangrove, the black mangrove, and the white mangrove. Over to your left here, the one with the big prop roots, and also the aerial roots hanging from the top as well. This is the red mangrove. This is the more dominant species here in the Caroni swamp, so the further along the channel we go, you will see more of these red mangroves. To the left of it, there is a thin, tall one with a white bark, and it has something like spikes to the bottom. This is called the black mangrove. And to the left of the black mangrove, the one with the light colored leaves here, this is the white mangrove. You will more find the white mangrove than the black mangrove. The white mangrove at this point, and not much of it further down because of the white mangroves require more fresh water content. The further along the channel we go, there will be more salt water content, right? The depth of the water at this point is not very deep. The tide is high right now, so it's just about 6 feet. On a low tide, it will be like 2 to 3 feet. However, further down the channel, it can reach depths of up to 40 to 50 feet in different areas. As we go along, we'll be looking out for any birds, any animals we see that we can identify, right? And if at any point anybody have any questions, feel free to ask.
A cascabel snake.
has settled and formed several colonies along the western coastline of Trinidad, Caroni, the seafront. One of the reasons that they flew across here was the poaching, right? Because they are poached a lot in South America and Venezuela. They are poached a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
In my life, just you know where I've been. Remove the teardrops from my eyes, I smile again. Created life, the world created everything. God, only you and you alone, you're my best friend. Father, with you, I am inspired. The wonders of your works, that's so much more. You, I'm never tired. How excellent you are, and that's so clear to see. Through all my ups and downs, it's you I give the glory. Created me to be who you want me to be. I can see the sunshine through the clouds again. Oh, God bless me, Father, forgive me for my sins. Seems so much in my life, just you know where I've been. Remove the teardrops from my eyes, I smile again. You are self-styled, the almighty counselor.